I was an athlete growing up, and so sports medicine kind of made sense. My name is Bill Cooney with Front Range Orthopedics and Spine. As a sports medicine physician, most sports medicine injuries include the shoulder, the knee, the elbow. Sports medicine has really brought minimally invasive arthroscopic techniques to fix people and get them back to their sport as soon as possible. About 10 months ago, I tore my ACL playing flag football. The minute that I made the cut and felt my knee pop, I knew exactly what had happened. It wasn't the injury that I was worried about, it wasn't the surgery that I was worried about, it was the fact that I was going to be having to rehab my knee for the next 6 to 9 months after the surgery, and that I'd have to not do things that I usually like to do. I was an okay patient. So this is the ACL, anterior cruciate ligament, and you've torn this. There's not a day in clinic where I go by and I don't somehow bring the experience that I had to another patient's care. Our expectation is that you return to all activities without any restrictions.
Okay. Ready, Rye?
I think it's easier being an orthopedic surgeon than it is to be a parent and to be a good parent.
There, nice hit.
Life at home would be sometimes very chaotic and crazy. My kids are very into sports, and so we're always running them around.
You grab your glove. Let's go, Rye. Let's go, dude.
My wife is the savior from that regard. Challenges to being an orthopedic surgeon. One certainly is life balance. My father was an orthopedic surgeon. I remember him being gone a lot and busy. As a hand surgeon, he treated a lot of farmers that would have combine injuries, and so he was doing crazy toe to hand transplants and a lot of microsurgery. These farmers were so grateful that they'd invite us out to the farm, and seeing what my dad does and what all the other orthopedic surgeons did. It just, to me, there wasn't really anything else that piqued my interest, and I decided to be an orthopedist.